everyone, this is Tiffany and this is my partner Alice.
Hello, this is Alice.
And today we will introduce our product, the CNC Sawing Machine. Now we can begin.
Yes.
Today we will through three parts to introduce the production. Can you introduce our
Yes.
content?
First is our factory, and the second is our product introduction, and the last is our sewing machine delivery. Okay, let's go. The part one is our factory.
Yes, you can see the picture is about our factory's workshop, and I will introduce our factory and our company. Shandong Aller Energy Technology is a model enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, after-sales technology, and science. It's committed to the research and development of bandsaw machine, lathe machine, and CNC automation technology.
Yes, and the company has passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification and successfully passed the CE and the US FDA, and its products are exported to more than 150 countries and around the world, including Italy and US and Australia and the Middle East. And okay, we have a video to introduce our factory.
Yes.
This is our sewing machine factory.
Yes, this house is about our workshop.
Yes. And our factory located in Shandong province.
Yes.
You can visit us. Okay. The picture is our sewing machine.
Yes. It's also our workshop show, and we also have the video. Let's see. This video is about our CNC bandsaw machine factory. You can look the workshop is very huge. It's also our workshop. It's a semi-finished warehouse.
Yes.
You can see this part is all about the CNC bandsaw machine and the vertical milling machine.
If you are interested in our CNC bandsaw machine, you can contact Tiffany and
Alice.
Yes, and Alice.
Is the product is our machine CNC sawing machine.
Yes. Yes. The part is also our workshop show.
Okay, it's part 2, our product introduction.
Yes.
And this part is introduce our machines of applicable industries, including many industries such as the steel structure. You can see the picture, the steel structure and the railway, and many industry like shipbuilding and the automatable manufacturing and uh, yes, and the airspace and the furniture industry. So if your client or you is in this industry, you can buy the bandsaw machine. It's useful for many industry. And let's continue. It's also can use for in hardware pipeline. The yes, our machine have 3 types. One type is CNC rotation band sewing machine and the CNC sewing machine, and last is double clamp CNC sewing machine.
Yes. The panel is our CNC rotation band sewing machine. Rotation is 0 to 45 degree forward or 0 to 16 degree reserve.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can see the picture is our orange. The color is orange, and we also have the blue.
Yellow.
You can choose. Yes, you
Yes,
can choose. The furniture you can look in the picture.
Yes.
It's so clearly.
Yes.
And our this product, the work table on which the material is placed, does not move, and the saw frame rotates, which is suitable for sawing angle steel, round pipe, square pipe, etc. that have angle requirements. We can look the video about the product.
Yes.
This is our model ALG 320. This is one of our many model.
Yes.
You can look the machine is working.
Yes.
You can look it's working, and this water is about our cooling system.
Yes.
When our product is working, the degree is so hot, so we need the cooling system to decrease the temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue next picture. This is picture is our sample show. You can see our product, the part of our product. You can see it clearly.
Yes. And the machine is our ALG 600. And okay, you can see the picture in our motor. Yes. Okay, you can see the motor. Yes.
Our last is ALG 320, and this is 600. It's bigger than last one. So
Yes.
if your workpiece is bigger, big tools, you can choose this one.
Yes.
We can recommend the suitable machine for you. You can contact us.
Yes.
We can also see the video of another. Yes. This is also our product. This is testing.
Yes.
Before we make a delivery, we will all of our product we will test. So ensure your product will be perfect and new. And
Yes.
okay, let's look next part. This is also is our sample
Yes.
sample show.
Machine is also our ALG 600. Yes. And the yellow, okay, we can see is the color is yellow. Yes. And you can choose blue or other color. The part in the machine is our ALG 500. Yes, we can see the picture. Machine is in our factory. Yes.
Yes. It's also the part of our product. It's the work table and it's can use for many types of workpiece.
Yes. And no, if our boss you are interested in our ALG 620 or ALG 600, as we can recommend the right machine to you.
Yes.
Yes.
Just give us the size, the length or something. We
Yes.
can recommend the super machine.
Yes.
This picture is also about the part of our sample. Let's look the
The machine is our ALG 500. Yes. And we can see the machine color is red. Yes. Okay. The part is our ALG 600 and we can see the picture.
This part can help you do more precision. So you can choose our product.
Yes.
This picture introduces our main components about our bandsaw machine. Our bandsaw machine included four parts. The number one is double column structure, and number two is high precision, and number three is stable cutting, and number four is stable performance. It's also our advantage than other product.
Yes.
You can look at this picture. It's about the part of our product. Its name is sewing unit. Sewing unit. It's the main major in sewing. It's major in cutting workpiece. Can you introduce this sewing?
Sewing machine allows gantry structure with good guiding and strong stability, smooth cutting and 3-5 linear guide real guide, rule type guide real and hydraulic and control for some feed and rotational value for stiffness and speed change for speed value when sawing each beam, the sequence of the inclined saw blow containing the workpiece is as follows: one side wing plate and two side wing plate and wiggle plate and two side wing plate. Yes, one side wing plate it can autom- aut- it can
automatically lift and
yes.
recut and feedback back through rotate encoder.
Yes.
This is the advantage and the introduction production of our sewing unit.
Yes.
Let's look at the next unit. This picture is introduces the hydraulic waist clamping, hydraulically controlled feed, stabilized speed adjustment of feed speed.
Yes.
You can look the picture; it can tell us clearly.
Yes. We can see the details of machine. Yes.
And this part is about our hydraulic system.
Yes.
Is also the important part of our product. The bandsaw blade is tensioned by hydraulic pressure. The saw blade also maintains good tension force during rapid movement, which extends the service life of the saw blade. The user can adjust the pressure according to the size of profile steel. In addition, there is a detection device for the fracture of the saw blade. If the saw band fracture occurs, the machine tool will automatically sense and stop the machine.
Yeah.
Yes, this part is also introduce our saw blade. We also have the saw blade have two types. One type is the material is different, and number two is the profile is different. You can choose two saw blade. Our material have two. One is one of the saw blade is LEPP. This material is from Germany. Its quality is better than other saw blade. And the another material is BG. So you can choose the prefer you like material you can choose. You give us your workpiece size, length, thickness, or something. We can give you the recommend the suitable saw blade.
Yes.
Okay, let's begin in next part.
The part is our cooling system, and okay, we can see the picture. It has the advantages of cutting edge and multi-view sewing and high cutting precision and convenient operation and high production. Yes, we can see the picture.
Yes, as we all know, the when our machine is working, the temperature will be increased so fast. So we need the cooling system. The cooling system is usually use the water to permeate the work table to decrease the temperature. So it is also ensures our products and also and our workers safe to protect the machine.
Yes. The part in our okay, we see picture part in our ALG 600. Some find the guide and to ensure the guiding accuracy and extend the life of the saw band.
Yes. Its part is also the important part of our product. This picture is from our ALG 400 model, and the reasonable get divorce of saw band can effectively prolong the service life of saw band. The get device of mobile saw blade and side pressing divorce more together with stable structure and flexible movement. Transmission paths to precise balance, correction, reduce vibration, unique hydraulic system design, stable descent speed. So this part can help us to precise balance correction, reduce vibration. So we is also the important part.
Yeah.
This part is about our rack. It's all is including two types. One is feeding rack and two is electric rack. So you can use the feeding rack and is automatical, and the electric rack is auto is self automatical.
Yes. And according to our boss requirements, we can recommend to write a rack to our boss.
Yes. This part is about our variant section. Can we introduce this part?
Yes. Okay, the picture is our ALG 600, and in order to avoid the workpiece turning during clipping and gantry may is equipped with uh, an upper pressure to ensure the workpiece is compact with a lower reference plan when completing the workpiece. Yes.
Okay, our last type of our rotation sensing band sawing machine is finished, and now will introduce the other types of the machine. It's CNC sewing machine. Okay, this is the automatic CNC sewing machine suitable for continuous cutting in batch production. Uh, also have many advantages such as it can input the workpiece parameters in advance by using the touch screen and the sewing machine. It also will automatically adjust the working process according to the input workpiece, and it's the processing parent information data can be displayed and monitored by the display screen in real time. And it's also has the advantage is the saw frame is welded by square steel tube and steel plate, which makes the frame has the longest durability and good rigidity under the condition of high cutting load and blade tension. The soft frame is guided and supported by a guide rail, which makes the force of soft frame basically uniform. High quality products of international famous brands.
Yes.
And this picture is the main product. You can see the color is red. We also have can see the video. It's also introduce the product is working. You can look. This is a rack we just introduced. It's the water is the cooling system. and the machine is huge. You can see this worker is use the workpiece too. So the machine is huge. So if you have the bigger workpiece, you can choose this one. And this part is about our control system. Can do.
Yes,
It's automatic.
Yes, can one.
You can see how our machine working clearly.
Yes, we can see the workpiece on our rack is moving. Yes.
You can look at the furniture of our CNC sewing machine. It's also at work, and you can see the water from the cooling system.
Yes. And the machine is very large.
Yes. This part is about our saw blade. Yes. It's also the important part of our sewing machine.
Yes. If our boss wanted to process big workpiece, and you can choose this machine.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's begin the next part. It also introduces the advantage of this machine, the CNC sewing machine. The number one is hydraulic serial proportional value and encoder are used for feed of saw frame, which can realize digital feed and can realize fast feed, slow feed, and faster return for workpiece.
Yes.
The machine tool can automatically reduce or increase the cutting feed speed according to the difference of workpiece specifications and material. The rotary table adopts gantry structure with good rigidity, strong stability, and smooth cutting section. The bandsaw blade is tensioned by hydraulic pressure. The saw blade also maintains good tension force during rapid movement, which extends the service life of the saw blade. The user can adjust the pressure according to the size of the profile steel. In addition, there is a detection device for the fracture of the saw blade in case of any bad condition or fault in the machine tool. The machine tool will automatically shut down.
Yeah.
Yes, it tells us we can choose the different faster feed, slow feed, and faster return for workpiece. You can choose which one.
The panel in our sample show, and we can see the picture in our ALG 700.
Yes.
And the color of machine is yellow. Yes.
And this machine is without the rack. You can choose if you already have the rack. You don't need our rack. You can choose the machine without the rack.
Yes.
Of course, we can offer the rack for you. but it's need the extra money.
Yes, and for our ALG series, the control system is PLC control. Yes. Okay, we can see the ALG series video.
This is our delivery to our client.
Yes.
We have many clients from all over the world,
Yes.
and the product is wholesale. Okay, let's continue the next part. It's also the our sample is another model. It's ALGS 320.
Yes.
This color is red.
Yes.
So
if you are interested in blue or other colors, and we can, according to our boss requirements, to spray.
yes. This product main component is double circular, double oil cylinder, and double titanium, double pressing. Can make the whole bunch of sawing have enough clamping force.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. This part is about our control system. Control system can continuous cutting of one or several groups, high repeat feeding accuracy.
Yes.
It's the control system is the brand is PLC.
Yes. Yes. And we can see the ALG series. Yes. We can see picture.
This part is introduce our granting ruler. It can control the feeding length, the maximum feeding travel is 1.2 meters at a time. Higher accuracy. Yes. This part is to ensure the feeding length and the maximum feeding travel can also help us to decrease the precision.
Yes. The pattern is our ALG 620, and we can share in structure so form and can be rotated 0 to 45 degrees.
Yes.
But only applicable to angle model 20, 20 200, 280. Yes. And we can see the picture. ALG series in our factory. We can see the details of the machine. Yes.
Yes, this part is about our rack.
Yes. And the angle between the saw blade and the table is 2 to 3 degrees. Yes. Which is specially designed for cutting
Rectangular tubes.
Yes.
So its machine also can cutting the tubes. If you need cutting the tubes or the plate, you can choose our machine.
Yes.
It can useful for many many materials of the workpiece. You just give us the information of your workpiece. We can give you the right machine.
Yes.
This part is about our vertical roller. The width is adjusted according to the cutting material, which is convenient for the whole beam cutting.
Yes.
You can look the picture. Your workpiece just put in this work table, and then it will be for the whole beam cutting.
Yes. Okay, the part one is our feeding table. Yes. This machine is our ALG series ALG 600. Yes, we can see the machine in our factory. This is our feeding table.
Yes.
Yes.
You only need input your workpiece
Yes.
in this in this feeding table, and then it's automatically to you to working.
Yes, and for our ALG series, the machine use the consistent control system. Yes,
This one is about our ball screw slider.
yes,
It also can ensure the precision of our demands.
yes. We can see the details of the machine.
Yes,
Yes,
it's also the important part of our band saw machine.
yes,
This one is about our tall line. Is one of our one of our racks.
yes. And we can see the machine our factory, and it very clearly. Yes,
Our the last product, our sewing machine and this part is about our Canon CNC sewing machine. The automatic control and adjusting the pulley can realize the change of the third gear speed, which can meet the needs of cutting different materials.
yes,
So if your demand is cutting the workpiece, you can choose this one.
yes. This machine is ALG Z422 and 7.
Yes.
70, yes,
We provide the video. You can have a look.
yes.
This video shows our double column CNC sewing machine. The model is ALG 320. You can look this all so many types, so it can you use by
Bunch of yes,
bunch of tubes.
Yes,
Let's look it again. It also shows how the our machine working. You can look the its surface is so smooth our when after the cutting. And this part is the water of our cooling system. You can see pouring in this work table and the tubes.
yes,
And this workpiece you can look is also so big. So if you have
Yes.
the same as the workpiece, you can choose this one, the ALG 320.
Yes.
We can see it again. Yes, you can look our product is cutting this workpiece. You can see the many tubes can use can cut it the same time. It can it won't waste many times.
Yes, we can see the rack. Yes,
it's not our it's not our standard
Yeah.
racks. So if you don't want our racks,
You can
you
make
can
yourself.
yes, you
Yes.
can make it by yourself. Uh, okay, let's continue next part. This part is our this part is
Double column
yes.
structure. Yes. And we can see the picture. Yes. And this part is our motion motor. Yes.
This part is also introduces the control system.
Yes.
And you can see the surface is English and Chinese version. It can
Yes.
be convenienced for our client.
Yes.
You don't worry. You didn't need to worry how to use it. It can be understand because it's Chinese and English version interface.
Yes.
This part is about our hydraulic clamping, and it's easy to tighten the material and protect the saw band, reduce material loss.
Yes. And we can see the picture. Yes.
This part is to can is not only to protect the saw band, it also can reduce the material loss.
Yes. The part is our sewing process. Yes. We can see the picture.
It's also the important part of our product.
Yes.
And this part is about our pricing process. Yes, you can see the details. You can see the details clearly.
Yes. Okay. Okay, this part is our double slash double reel. Yes, we can see the picture.
Yes, it also can ensure the procession and our workpiece clearly.
Yes.
And its picture is about our rock, just just outside the rock, it will be motorized. You can choose our rock, and also you can make it by yourself. And when the rack is you need put the workpiece into this rack table, the work table, and then it will be worked. You can see the detail of our rack, and this one is you can choose or not. The machine without the rack is also you it's also you can choose. This part is about our cooling system. This system can ensure the safe about the workers and the machines. When our CNC band machine is working, the temperature will be increased faster rapidly. So we need decrease the temperature. So the cooling system is it will be the important part. It will when it's the product working, The cooling system will be like this pipe. It will be pouring the water into the work table, and the workpiece can decrease the temperature. It's not only to ensure the ensure the product and also can protect our worker.
Yes.
Okay, next picture. This part is about our training. Is usually about our workers. Before the equipment is shipped, the buyer can arrange 1 to 2 operators to our factory for 1 week. 1 week training, and the specific time shall be confirmed by our customer service department. During the warranty period of the equipment, the buyer can apply for one more time for operator 1 to 2% usually to come to our company for free training.
Yes.
And the training includes laser principle, equipment construction, process description, equipment maintenance, and the machine safety protection, operation procedures, and simple troubleshooting. Trainees are required to be assistant mechanical, electrical, or optical engineers or engineers with basic computer skills and auto LED drawing skills. Trainees must pass the examination or equipment operation. The machine basic principle and the Banson machine safety protection, maintenance, and other aspects organized by our company before they can take up their posts.
Yes. Okay, the last part is our delivery. Yes. We can see the picture in our sewing machine.
The delivery.
Yes.
I remember this machine is shipped to Mexico, right? It's to Mexico.
Yes. Mexico and Italy.
And Europe,
Yes.
we have many clients from all over the world, and
Yes.
You can believe us about the quality and some other thing.
Yes.
We also have the videos we can look. Is about our ALG S320. This type of our product is hot sale.
Yeah.
You can look the car and our product in this car.
Yes. Ship to our customer.
It's also about our ALG S320 model.
Yes.
It's also about our delivery of
Yes.
the ALG 320.
Yes. If I was interested in our ALG series, you can contact the Tiffany and Alice.
Yes.
Yes, we can recommend the right machine to you. And there are both best machine and best price.
Yes. Not about the ALG S320. Our other types is also popular to the all over the world.
Yes.
You can look the our package. You can look the package is use the plastic and in the container.
Yes.
It's under the package. You can also choose the wooden and but it's expensive. Our standard package is use the plastic in the container.
Yes.
You can look. This is many machines,
Yes.
and it will be delivered to.
Our customer. Yes.
Yes. We sell too many products, so you can believe us about the quality and on other safe or something.
Yes.
You can also look our workshop is huge.
Yes.
This picture is about our package of the saw blade.
Yes.
And this picture is the product. It's it's the ALG 320. It's by packaged by plastic.
Yes.
This is also the machine package.
And we can see the details of our machine.
Yes.
Yes.
It is also the delivery of our product. You can see this still, so it can be stable.
Yes.
And this is also the product
Yes.
to our
Yes.
customer.
And we can see our control system.
Yes.
Yes.
This is. Did you remember our production
Yeah.
details? This is a control system, and that is a rack.
Yes. Very clearly.
And
Yeah.
next part is about our main machine.
Yes.
This picture is about many of our saw blade.
Yes.
Because some of our customers need many saw blade. We also made the saw blade. So you also can buy the saw blade from us. We will give you the best price.
Yes. And the quality.
This picture is about the many product to our customers. So if you need the machine, you need the machine hurry. We also can meet your demands.
Yes. And we can see the picture. The color of machine is blue. Yes, but the last one is yellow. Yes. So we can recommend our boss requirements.
Many colors you can choose.
We can choose.
Okay, the last part is about our after sale. We have 5-star fast service system. The first is our 24 hours, 7 days a week service. Someone will answer the repair call at any time within 10 minutes. A professional technical engineer to reply 1 hour to determine the maintenance plan. 1 working day engineer dispatched, and exclusive customers' plan is made according to the specific situation of customers.
Yeah.
Service engineer certification system. Each service engineer after strict training and assessment with a certificate.
Yeah. And the third is the FAQ training. According to the equipment model, the FAQ will be made into a box and trained by the certified engineer to the customer. Yes. And the last one is online one-to-one. It lets the engineer guide the customer to solve problems by telephone and video and other network method to solve it together.
Yes, it means you didn't worry about the after sales service. We have a 5-star fast service system.
Yes.
Okay, let's finish the. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
See you later. See you.
Bye.